I didn't know this, but when I talk with people from Purina Proplan, I found that what happened is when the dogs are older than 7 years old, it's how they process the glucose in their brain. It changed. Gayla was less alert and less social in the last months, and I can tell sometimes it was hard for her to make some decisions. She has to make the decision to tell me, go to the right, go to the left. And what I saw is those decisions became harder for her. My biggest fear, to be honest, is crossing the street. And when she makes a decision there, no matter life or death, she has to make the right decision, no matter what. My friends, they told me about these products, Purina, Proplan, Bright Mind, Adult 7+. I mean, I gave her a lot of different food in these years, but this one, I saw the difference. I can feel the difference. She changed. She doesn't want to lay down all day as she used to. Now she wants to do things. She wants to be with us, and she's more alert now. I can feel the difference because she's back in what she used to be 2 years ago. She's super active and so happy because it's like I'm having a puppy again. It was hard enough to change from Gayla to Adele, and I can't imagine how it's gonna be like every 7 years doing the same process. The good thing about that Bright Mind is now I know what I have to do when Adele turns 7. Gayla was like that puppy I used to have when she was 4 years old. So that day I said, this Bright Mind really works. And I can see her, completely different dog. I can see her like she's not 8 years old anymore. She's like 4 or 5 years old. She wants to play with Adele and go into the street with us. So I'm happy because I have my dog back.